everyone, welcome to another episode of CLIMAX CINEMAS. My name is Bhagya and today we are here at Anchal in the district of Kollam, Kerala, where we've created a stunning Dolby Atmos theatre for our lovely client Mr. Pradeep. Now, let's talk about the design and color aspect of the theatre. We've tried to stick to our black and red combination, and we've taken both our customer suggestion and our design team's input. Without overcomplicating the structure or the color, we've made sure that the theatre sticks to a limited dual tone. And we've also given a black plush carpet for the flooring. Another super cool fact about this theatre, this actually used to be a living hall, which we then partitioned to make into a theatre. On the ceiling and the side walls, we've given a really nice warm profile lighting, and at the back of the theatre, we've also given a Dolby Atmos board. Now, if you take a look at the front of the theatre, we've created a 2-feet space cabinet for all the LCR speakers to be kept within. That way, when you're watching something, you won't have any distractions. The dimensions of this theatre come to 24 feet in length and 11 feet in width, and the Atmos configuration that we've given here is a Dolby 7.1.4. Now, talking about the audio-video configuration of the theatre, we've used clipped speakers entirely. For the front tower speakers, we've used Klipsch R600 F2. For the center speaker, we've used a Klipsch R30C. And for the surround speaker, we've used a Klipsch Pro 16 RW. For the Dolby Atmos speaker, we've used a Klipsch CS16 C2. And for the subwoofer, we've used an SVS PB1000 Pro. We have used an Elite fixed frame 110-inch acoustic transparent 4K screen. This screen produces an amazing visual experience. And when you pair it with the projector, it gives brilliant lifelike images. And because we've given a 2-feet space cabinet for the speakers, when you're watching the screen, there's going to be absolutely no distraction. The Optoma UHZ50 Plus 4K laser home theatre projector produces brilliant lifelike images with 3000 lumen, 30,000 hours of lamp life, and a 4K resolution for exceptional detail. The Denon AVR X6700H 11.2 channel receiver is packed with features like IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Atmos, DTS-X and HEOS built-in for seamless wireless music streaming. Coming to the media player, we've given a lovely Amazon Fire TV stick, and for any gaming purposes, we've also installed a very high-end PC. Now, talking about the seating capacity, we have 5 recliner chairs in total, where the 3 on top are motorized, the 2 on the bottom are manual, and as we do with every theatre, the second row is raised by 1 feet. The flooring has been done with a high-quality black acoustic lush carpet. This ensures maximum comfort and sound absorption. Just like we do with every theatre, we've given a soundproofing plus acoustic strategy for this theatre as well. A dual-layer Rockwool treatment has been done for soundproofing, and for the acoustic strategy, we've given a polyfiber with fabric backing and PET panels. Even the ceiling has been done with the same. So, if you want to experience the magic of home entertainment, look no further than CLIMAX Cinemas. Contact us today to schedule a demo, and we are available all across South India, and we also have an EMI facility. And hey, if you want to reach out to us for a home theatre project just like this one, we have a special discount waiting just for you. Until next time, bye-bye.